Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. But before we start a new chapter, let us consider a case where Rima and Ritu decide to play a mind reading game. Rima asks Ritu to think of a number. She does not know the number. Rima then asks Ritu to multiply the number with 5 and add 20 to the product. And then she asks the result and tells the number which Ritu had in her mind. So let us see how Rima was able to tell the answer correctly. So we see that Rima did not know the number first. So let us denote this number as X, which is unknown. You can use any alphabet, T, U, A, anything you can choose, as the number is unknown. Here I am denoting the unknown number by X. When Ritu multiplies the number by 5, she gets 5x. Then she adds 20 to the product, which gives 5x plus 20. So here we see that how Rima was able to tell the correct answer. What she did is, in the place of x, she tried to put the value 1. When she put the value 1, what she got? The answer as 25. But this was not the answer what Ritu got. Ritu got answer 40. Similarly, she tried to put value 2 in place of x. Then the result came out to be 30. Again, 30 is not the answer which Ritu got. So children, what we are doing today is related to equations, and the new chapter is simple equations. Here we see that I am keeping these two values which we got, that is 5x plus 20 and 40. 40 is the answer that Ritu got, and 5x plus 20 is the procedure that was followed to obtain the answer 40. So I am keeping this part on left hand side and I am keeping this 40 part on right hand side. So we know that whatever we did over here brings us the answer 40. That means these two things are equal. So we get an equation. When we equate LHS and RHS expression on left hand side with the right hand side, then we get an equation. So 5x plus 20 is equal to 40 is an equation, whereas 5x plus 20 on left hand side is an expression. It is an algebraic expression, whereas 40 in right hand side is an expression again, but it is a numerical expression. When expression on left hand side is equal to expression on right hand side, we get an equation, whereas this x is an variable. The value for which is not known is called variable, and it is denoted by any alphabet. It does not have any fixed value, no fixed value. Recall this what you have learnt in chapter algebra from class 6th. And 20 and 40 are constant as their value is fixed. So this is an expression and whole thing is an equation. Solution to the equation will give us number which Ritu held in her mind. So above equation is a condition on the variable x. It states that the value of expression 5x plus 20 is 40. So for what value of x this LHS and RHS will be equal? Yes, for the value of x is equal to 4, this equation will be satisfied. Means LHS will become equal to RHS. Means 5 multiply 4 plus 20. What it is? 20 plus 20 becomes 40. That is how she was able to answer Ritu's confusion. So this was an equation, introduction for the equation. So what is an equation? An equation is a condition on variable. The condition is that two expressions should have equal value. Means expressions on left hand side and right hand side must be equal. In equation there is always a equality sign. So let us see examples of equations. So first one, we see that 5x plus 20 is equal to 40. This was created by ourselves only. And the next example is 3x plus 2 is equal to x plus 4. So we see here that there are two expressions. There are two algebraic expressions on left hand side as well as on right hand side. This one is also expression, it is also an expression, and both are algebraic expression as they have variable as x. So please note that an equation must have expression, they should have at least one variable. Means in this case only there is a variable on left hand side, there is no variable on right hand side, whereas in the second case there are variables on both the sides. So in an equation at least one of the two expressions must contain the variable. An equation remains same when the expression on the left hand side and on the right are interchanged. Means suppose if I write 5x plus 20 is equal to 40, so it is same as 40 is equal to 5x plus 20. Both are same. Similarly, if I write this equation as x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 2, then also these two things are same. So children, this is for the assignment for today. You have to write equations for the following statements. First one is done for you. Write the following statements in the form of equations. The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. Break it in parts. See, 3 times x means 3x. Then see sum of 3 times x and 11 means this will be the expression formed 3x plus 11. The sum of 3 times of x and 11 is, wherever is comes right, is equal to, it is equal to 32. Similarly, if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get 7. First see 6 times a number and the number you don't know, so take that number as x. 6 times a number will be 6x. If you subtract 5 from means you have to subtract 5 from 6x, then you get 7, so it will be equal to 7. So this is the equation for these statements. Try doing the equations for rest of the statements. Thank you.